The St. James police are seeking the driver who is believed to have mowed down a man. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. James police are seeking the driver responsible for the likely mowing down of an unidentified pedestrian along the Long Bay Main Road in the parish early Saturday morning. Reports are that sometime about 12:15 a.m. the police were summoned to the scene of a hit-and-run crash along the Long Bay Main Road. On their arrival, the police saw the mangled body of a male who believed to be in his late 30s lying on the roadside. The body, which was without a shirt and footwear, was clad only in a short blue jeans pants. The police are urging anyone with information to come forward as it relates to the incident. The police, up to the publication of this report, have not yet ascertained the identity of the individual. Links 007 TV though will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.